guys, today we are going to be playing with some metallic-y purple slime. And I'm going to get my other ones out. And I have a pink and a blue one. But right now we're going to play with the purple one. And let's see how far we can stretch it. Let's try to make an instant swirl. Okay. Oh my god, that was a fail. That was a fail. Oh my god. No. That was a total fail. There. There's my swirl. I love jiggly slimes. This one is kind of jiggly, and it farted. Don't you guys love my nails? This one is a blue. I know it's hard to see, but that one is not a black. It's a blue. This one is a light blue, and this one, as you can tell, it's a white with glitter. And I just love this. And Mommy, do you want to say hi to the camera?
Okay.
She's just making spaghetti and meatballs.
I put the meatballs in the sauce and I put the noodles in the water.
She's so funny. Okay, time to put you away. Just gonna put you down. Like that view. Like my foot. This one has a couple beads in it. Okay. Here is my light pink. It's like a baby pink. And I really like this one because, like, it's pink, you know? Like, it's pink! It's gotta be pink! I can feel the pinkness. Like, it's gotta be pink. Gotta be pink. Let's see if we can do an Insta swirl with this. Oh my god, you guys didn't even see that. I don't have a stand, so I have to hold it with one hand. I have to hold my tablet with one hand. It's so annoying. So I can't make bubbles. Okay. I'm gonna make a bubble. You guys are gonna see me. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Bubble. Yay. Finally, you guys saw a bubble. I'm gonna do some ASMR now. Shh. Mommy, do you want to say hi to the camera? Say hi.
Hi.
Isn't she a cutie? Isn't she a cutie?
Hi.
Hi. Bye. Mommy, I'll come back again, okay? Oh my god. She just loves the camera. Okay, we're just gonna get one more slime out and then we're done. Gonna put it down again. I know this is not the best view, but gotta put you down to get the slime out. Gonna put that down, put the pink in, play with the blue. Yes, the blue has a little bit of pink in it. It doesn't look like blue because it always gets purple or pink in it. Oh my god!
Stop. Hey, come on.
And yeah, I love this slime. Ah! This is such a struggle. Ah! Oh my god. Okay, there. Now I'm gonna show you a slime. I'm gonna show you another Jiggly slime. It smells really good, and it's called orange creamsicle. Yeah, you stay down there. Yeah.
I thought you were saying my food smelled really good.
Yeah, it does. That also smells really good. I wish you guys could smell this. It's like an orange. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, I'm gonna pick it up. Just comment down below if you want me to do another slime video. Bye.